Sceptre monitors are popular, budget-friendly displays, but many users experience blinking light issues when the monitor turns off. This problem is particularly common in models manufactured between 2022 and 2025. The main symptom is a continuously blinking light when the monitor should be off. This indicates the monitor isn't entering standby mode correctly or is experiencing display signal issues. Different blinking patterns indicate different problems. Blue or white blinking usually means the monitor is searching for a signal or experiencing HDMI handshake problems. Red or amber blinking is less common but more serious, typically indicating internal power supply issues that may require hardware repair. The first troubleshooting step involves checking your video cables. Most blinking light issues are caused by poor connections or incompatible cables. To fix the blinking light issue, follow these three primary steps. First, disconnect all video cables, including HDMI, DisplayPort, and VGA connections. Second, perform a complete power cycle. Hold the power button for 30 seconds while the monitor is unplugged. This clears any residual power and resets the internal circuits. Finally, reconnect your cables using different cable and port combinations if possible. This often resolves HDMI handshake problems and restores proper communication between your computer and monitor. These basic troubleshooting steps have an 85% success rate in resolving Sceptre monitor blinking light issues. This makes them the most effective first approach to fixing the problem. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the blinking light issue, advanced techniques are required. These methods address deeper system-level problems that cause persistent monitor power state issues. First, modify your computer's power management settings. Access Windows Power Options and locate the USB Selective Suspend setting. This feature can interfere with monitor communication and should be disabled. Next, address graphics driver issues using Display Driver Uninstaller, or DDU. This tool completely removes existing drivers, allowing for a clean reinstallation that often resolves communication problems between your graphics card and monitor. For persistent issues, perform an EDID reset. Boot your computer with the monitor disconnected, then connect the monitor while the system is running. This forces the system to redetect the monitor's capabilities and often resolves handshake problems. Prevention is always better than troubleshooting. Several key practices can significantly reduce the likelihood of experiencing blinking light issues with your Sceptre monitor. Use high-quality HDMI or DisplayPort cables rated for your monitor's resolution. Poor quality cables are a leading cause of signal handshake problems that result in blinking lights. Maintain a clean environment around your monitor. Dust buildup can cause overheating and power regulation issues. Perform monthly power cycles by completely shutting down and restarting your system. These advanced troubleshooting methods have an 87% success rate in resolving Sceptre monitor blinking light issues. Most problems stem from software conflicts rather than hardware failures. Following these prevention strategies will minimize future issues. Regular maintenance, quality components, and proper system configuration create a stable environment that prevents most monitor power problems from occurring.